All right, my beauty babes, look at this right here. I look good. I look fly. I don't look good.
Baby girl, come lead me through the darkness like I'm blind. You say what you don't mean, girl, I'm just trying to read your mind. I wanna make this perfect, but I know it takes some time. One thing for sure is that I will never count you.
What is up, my beauty babes? This is Alisha Rena, and I'm back again with another video. And I know you guys missed me because I've been gone for like 2 freaking months. Like 2 months. I have so many videos pre-recorded, but it's just like, I don't know. I didn't know if y'all would be interested in that type of stuff, so I just, you know, said whatever and just forgot about the videos. And I'm sorry, I didn't forget about y'all because I really was thinking about y'all this whole entire time. It takes a lot. But it's October and it's time for autumn season. So that's why I brought this autumn ginger wig color tutorial for you all. So turn your dusty black wig into this gorgeous ginger wig to get in tune with the fall time. But yes, so we're gonna just go ahead and hop into this tutorial. I do want to apologize, you know, guys, so much for not posting any videos, and I hope y'all forgive me. Okay, let's go ahead and hop into this video and I can show you guys how to be a baddie. And also, when you do this wig, do not be putting on them dark eyebrows. Make sure you get something that's gonna look like this. Like, y'all, I made sure my eyebrows look good with this because I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Okay, so first you're going to start off by getting your natural colored wig. I made this wig myself, so it does have different types of weave in it, but the longer pieces of weave is actually by True Glory, and I swear by True Glory because I had this wig, well, a weave for like 2-3 years now, and it's still doing great. I also have different other brands of hair in here from the beauty supply store because I ran out of weave. But anyways, I got this closure from the beauty supply store, so all of this is pretty much handmade. And now you're going to get your 30 developer and your BW tool so you can start to get to bleaching. So once you mix all of that up, we're going to go ahead and start off by sectioning our hair, because you want to make sure that you have control of all of your partings so it can come out really nice and neat. And when you're sectioning out your hair, you do not want too large of sections because you need to be able to make sure that the hair is pretty much well saturated so all the parts can get bleached and that you're not left with a blotchy wig at the end. So and if you do big sections, just take it, you know, one section at a time. Make sure you're getting the roots and stuff like that. So don't rush this process because this is the main part. It's like a make it or break it with your wig. So as you can see, I'm being very generous with the lightener because I do want it to be well saturated. So that's also why I'm combing it to make sure every strand is coated and every strand has lightener on it. This also helps me get an even tone, so once I comb it all through, I can easily smooth it out to make sure every strand has some lightener on it. And it's basically like doing a relaxer on your weave, but instead you're lightening it. So now I'm going in with my foils so that I can help my weave process a little bit more quickly. And yeah, so we're just gonna keep on putting the bleach on there, keep on doing that process until you get to the top of the head. And now I'm going to fast forward this a little bit more. So once you finish lightening, you should have something like this. I went ahead and took the foils out of the bottom and just kept the foils in the top so they can continue processing. So now I'm going to rinse it out and make sure you thoroughly rinse out your hair. If not, your hair will have this like really, I don't know, it's like a really nasty residue on it. So you want to make sure you rinse it out really well. So once you finish rinsing your hair out, you're going to fill a tub up with very hot water. And after that, we're going to get our Adore cinnamon and Adore ginger. And we're going to go ahead and put both of those inside the tub. Y'all, I am so slow. I tried to squeeze the dye inside of the water and I forgot to take the seal off of the dye. So make sure that you take the seal off before you try to put it in the water, or else it will not come out. And I don't know if you guys are wondering or not, why do I have one glove on one hand and another I don't have one on? Well, funny story. I slammed my finger in the door and my nail is like sort of kind of coming off, so I just wanted to make sure I protect it. So anyways, that's besides the point. Squeeze all of the dye inside of the bin and make sure that you get, look, see, making a mess. It's like every time I try to do some water dye, I always make a mess. Like, leave it up to me. But anyways, make sure all of it is in there. So now I'm going to mix up my dye and water mixture and make sure it's well mixed so that you don't have any dye still sitting at the bottom. So now I'm going to get my bottle and I'm going to put water in it and shake it so that I can get all the product out. Okay, so now I'm going to get all of my hair and I'm going to put it in the tub. And then I'm going to get my wig and I'm going to put that in there as well. I know it looks a hot mess now, but it won't look a hot mess when I'm done. But anyways, we're going to just keep on stirring it in there, kind of like just moving around in there so it can get, every last strand saturated. And I know y'all already see that color popping up, like it's the GOAT. So I'm going to comb my fingers through them some so that every strand can get coated evenly. And I'm going to just let it sit in there for about 3 to 5 minutes. So once you're done, your wig should look like this. I had to put it in slow-mo because I got a lot of stuff I need to say. So it shouldn't look matted like this, but it should look like this color. And I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it and style it off of camera. So yeah, we're just about to go ahead and pop up with a whole new look. All right, my beauty babes, this is the final product and I'm looking like a bad girl, like woman, I meant, because I'm grown. Like, don't mind my scalp because I just put makeup over it because I really needed like it to look kind of natural. That's why I did my brows like not too dark or anything like that, so I can make sure it looks natural. Like, I'm a natural ginger redhead and that's on period, okay? But this is so freaking cute. I really hate when people look at their self when they're recording, but I understand you want to know that you look good, but right now I cannot like, I have to look at myself. Plus, baby, you are the baddies. Okay. This is so cute. And when I was bleaching this, I was thinking, oh my gosh, this is so blotchy. This is so like uneven tone. So my wig is going to turn out like a hot freaking mess. But no, it did not. It turned out gorgeous. Like, I freaking love this. I had curled it. I put in some pin curls and everything last night around like 2 o'clock in the morning. And when I took this junk down this morning, the things dropped. They didn't even hold. So I was really upset about that, but it probably looks so much better like this anyways because baby girl. But y'all, I haven't been on this YouTube stuff for a long time, so I just don't know how to act at all. I'm getting so nervous. Like, don't look at me. But no, look at my finger. This was what happened not too long ago. That's why I really got to try to hide it because I don't want y'all trying to join me in the comments. So I'm going to go ahead and say it. So y'all have to join me. But anyways, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video whenever I be back with another video. Life gets a little bit hectic at times. So it's hard to stay on top of it when you just got so much stuff going on. But anyways, y'all, this is the end of the video and I'm out.